crochet method with thread, easy peasy. And like I said, here's a piece of thread, snip it, and that's how I will remove it. All right, so I'm experimenting today. Instead of using my latch hook to crochet it in the regular way, I will be using needle and thread. I'll just tie a knot, weave in and out, and keep it moving. It's like a jet black color, which I love. It's super soft, and the locks are like a little crinkly. What the curly beads is. Okay, so I want to try something a little different with this crochet style. So you see here, I got my crochet boho locks, and I have like 8 bundles and approximately 10 per little bundle. So I have this little bit of leave out, and I figured I can just do individual braids on this first row and then crochet everything else back. So this way none of my hair is left out, because once I add the lock, I will take the remainder of my hair and crochet it back into my cornrows. I got a little bit leave out for real. She barely have anything to part. So I also want to add the hair on before I do the braid, just so I'm not like trying to crochet something through a little tight spot. Like, I'm trying to give no pain. So take my latch hook, put it through the crochet, and then crochet one side on. So like that. I've put it on a little section of my hair, and then I will go ahead and do the braid. All right, yeah, I think this is gonna work out. That way I don't have to force my crochet hook through this small little section. See, that's on there. And then take my hair and just pull it through my cornrows that's already in the back. Oh, what time is it so we can see how long this takes? It is 1:40. Yeah, let's continue. Yeah, I literally have the tiniest amount of leave out. Like, my sections in the front are rectangles. They're not even squares. Because honestly, I don't know about you, but when I be having individual braids, I hardly ever wear it completely down. Like, you're going to be able to wear your hair completely down, but if you want to pull it back, do like a half up, half down. This is the perfect method. But let me tell y'all what I've been watching lately. And I need to stop watching it actually, but it's so interesting. So I've been on Tubi, on my little Tubi phase again, and I've been watching these series called Fatal Attraction. It's like on the TV show First 48. That's what it gives. But these are stories about people that's been killed by a loved one, and it's so crazy, the stories. And I was watching another series, For Her Man. That's what it was called. See, like, Fatal Attraction is given, oh, someone wanted to leave the relationship and the other one wasn't having it. Like, if I can't have you, no one can. It's giving, oh, you gotta go because I'm trying to get this life insurance money. Now, when I was watching For Her Man, that was giving, oh, they was killing for their man. They was robbing a bank for their man, like doing crazy stuff like that. But like, I felt like I started to have a little PTSD or something. I'm telling you, like, I haven't actually had to go inside of a bank in a minute. But the other day, I actually had to go inside of the bank. And all I could think about was the bank getting robbed. I'm over here trying to figure out my exit strategy just in case today is one of the days that somebody want to rob the bank. And I was like, Tyreeka, you have to stop watching those TV shows. But here I am today watching them again. Like, it was crazy because honestly, for real, I was in the bank, felt like I was ready to have a panic attack. And I'm looking at people walk in the bank, and this lady, of course, you know, like when people work for businesses and stuff, they be coming in with like some type of little pouch. Girl, I'm looking at this lady like, what you got that bag for? You ain't gonna put a note up to the window and say, give me all your money. I was scared and like having to work through my breathing because I was thinking somebody was gonna rob the bank. Crazy, right? Okay, look at these three. Neat. And then I pour the hair back. And then the locks are really cute. They're super soft too. All right, front section all done. Look how I pulled it over. Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right, so I'm experimenting today. So for the back, instead of using my latch hook to crochet it in the regular way, of course you can do that, I will be using needle and thread. Yeah, we're trying something different today. And just thread everything on. So I'll just tie a knot, weave in and out, and keep it moving. Just watch me, because baby, I don't know for sure myself. So needle. Make sure that's on there good. Do one little knot. All right. First lock onto the needle. Push that up. Boom. Yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. And you guys make sure you keep watching, because I'll show you how I will remove it, which I'm pretty sure all I will have to do is just cut the thread. Okay, and they're on there too. Okay, so this is really working out, and I feel like it's going a lot faster than crocheting it in regular. I just have to be mindful and make sure I spread it out so that I have enough hair. Also being mindful that I don't spread it out too much to where I have too many gaps. But actually this, cool. Alright, so my boho crochet locks are all done. Y'all, the thread, you have to try it. For one, it feels flat because it's like right there on top of your braid versus having to push that through and then take it through a loop, creating it to be bulky. And then it's like, it feels so secure. I love it. And then the fact I did these at the top like individual, this is really, really nice. I can definitely see myself crocheting in my hair with thread going forward. I can totally see that. Who wants to struggle trying to put this thick lock in between that little loop? No. Give it a try and let me know what you think. You have to. So, I ain't gonna lie, this style took me a little minute. I took maybe like a 30-minute break. I fixed me something to eat, took my dog for a walk, and I'm just finishing at 4:38. And my hair was already braided down as well. Like, this hair is so nice and the hair looks so good. Here it is up close. It's like a jet black color, which I love. It's not giving that brown color, it's like black. It's super soft and the locks are like a little crinkly. Like, look at the lock with the curly pieces. Stop. So yeah, get into it, baby. Yes, I just installed this hair less than 20 minutes ago and I have to take it out. But hear me out. I'm trying to film as much as I can. Yesterday I filmed 3 videos and today I'm filming 2. And like I said, all I'm going to do is go in and cut the thread. Like, here's a piece of thread, snip it, and that's how I will remove it. Real easy. Yes, the crochet method with thread, easy peasy. But I am taking out my hair and filming back to back, not because I am trying to catch up, which is my usual story. I am very much caught up and I would like to keep it that way. In order to keep it that way, I have to film a couple videos in advance because in the morning I have to drive to Virginia because my mom is having a double mastectomy. So breast cancer free, here we come. So I just said I will film a couple videos before I have to go home and be there for a couple days. And that way, when I come back, I'll be caught up. So yeah, if you are a breast cancer survivor, let me know down below. If you have one of your loved ones that is a breast cancer survivor, let me know. Mom got diagnosed with breast cancer, like I wanna say in June of this year. I do have an appointment to get a mammogram, you know, just to be on the safe side. But yeah, me and Demi are getting on the road in the morning. So trying to do as much as I can today. And that's why I'm taking out my hair after doing it. And then like when I was looking at it, I'm like, man, I should have did the clip-ins first and then did this so I could have worn this hairstyle down the road. But I didn't. That's not what I did. But I do need to film this other video as well. This time I actually have a valid excuse of why I'm taking my hair out as soon as I've installed it. Because I have to go take care of my mom. So yeah, prayers up. And with the front, you already know, just pull that braid from out of there. You see how easy that was for me to pull this one? These up here aren't as easy. This one was though. And then this one is out. All right, so here's the hair. Still look good, you know. I went ahead and added it back to the strings. Click the link so you can go get this crochet hair and use needle and thread this time. Let me know what you think down below after you give it a shot. I promise you, you're gonna love it as much as I did. Yeah, let me know.